nature. I know when these O's start stretching for them, it either look like a leg or arm or a penis. I'll tell you that, or a trunk or something. Alright, here we go.
The Biblia AlKheme. We burn the holy herb in the cup of the Biblia, and the cough is to purify the mucus from the holy body, from the earth. The fire, which is thought, transforms or burns the wood, which is the bud, the holy herb. The wood pierces earth, which means the bud crystals enter the body. And as you cough, you strengthen the core of the body and release the mucus. Earth absorbs water. The body rids itself of mucus. Water extinguishes fire. Inflammation is eliminated in the organs and tissues. Fire melts metal. The coughing shapes the earth, which is the physical, like a knife carving a statue. So the fire, the meditations, which are thoughts, are directed at transforming the three treasures into the alchemy or the alchemic agent or elixir of immortality. Metal chops wood. All organs and fluids in the body are balanced and working at optimum levels. The hormones are regulated. The physical body starts the transformation into a spiritual body, not bound by time or space. Wood creates fire. The cycle is completed. The transformation of the physical body creates the body of light, or the soul being, the immortal vehicle which carries you in the next life. Blessed bud, be blaze. Peace.